Okay, we got it down to just the short block, so we'll take some of that apart right now. Yeah, stick around through the whole video as we pull this apart. I tried to shorten up the video a bit for you guys so it didn't get too monotonous or boring. But yeah, we do find some stuff here along the way that's a little bit surprising, especially after compression tests and leak down tests and stuff. Went surprisingly well for a leak down test, considering what we found in there. So I'll be back. Get them last two stubborn ones that I can't get the socket over. Ouch. Doesn't look terrible so far. Okay, I take a few main caps off here. You can see where some things went through and scratched the bearing at some point in time, but overall they actually look pretty good. Crank's really not marked up. For the age of them and shape, they actually look all right. Just a little something's went through and made a scratch in the bearing, but not hard enough to even scratch the crank. Okay, keep watching. Same thing. Maybe a little something's went. A little scratches or something going through. Okay, I get a little clumsy here, knocking this first piston out, and all of a sudden it kind of takes off and hits the floor. It wasn't really planned, but I won't be keeping the pistons anyway, so that part was lucky. Thanks for watching. Big heavy little slug. Feels nice. Okay, we get the leg up there this time. Just trying not to get oil all over me. I'll be able to have a good look at the cylinders once these pistons are out. And a good look at the rings. Well, that ring is broken. And that wasn't broken by me. That ring must have been falling apart. Yeah, that ring just fell apart and it didn't break coming out. Oh, interesting. We got no corbel at all. It's one out of the cap. One rod. Staining. Oh, look at that ring. That ring is broken so many places. It's busted all the way around. This big chunk just fell out. Now, then are the ones that the exhaust valves were an opening on. Look at the bearing. You see, they look pretty good. Let's throw some wear, but they're not in bad shape. Yeah, more broken rings. They're just hanging in there. So, what rings are broken with what cylinders, and compare what exhaust intakes are sunk in that wouldn't let compression out, and see if there's a correlation. This force crank. Oh, fuel ridge in the cylinder. Real burns actually look pretty good. Okay, I'll show you some more of this in a bit. We'll clean up the cylinders, have a look at them. They got wear, but I don't see any rust like I imagined. Definitely lots of broken rings. So we'll show you more here shortly. Nice forged crank. Some grinding done on it at one time.